Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Centrum vitamins. It's important to always follow the specific dosage instructions provided on your Centrum bottle. Generally, for most adult Centrum formulas, the recommendation is to take 1 tablet daily. Taking your vitamin with a meal is often advised. This can significantly help improve the absorption of the nutrients and also minimize any potential stomach discomfort you might experience. For optimal results, try to take your Centrum vitamin at the same time every day. This consistency helps your body establish a routine. Many people find it beneficial to take their multivitamin with their largest meal of the day, as this can further aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Remember, taking Centrum on an empty stomach might cause mild nausea for some individuals, so always pair it with food. Before you begin any new vitamin regimen, including Centrum, it is always wise to consult with your doctor or a healthcare professional. They can ensure it's appropriate for your individual health needs. It is crucial not to exceed the recommended daily dosage, as more is not always better and can sometimes be harmful. Also, remember to store your Centrum bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. Remember, Centrum vitamins are designed to supplement a balanced diet, not replace it. A healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and adequate sleep, remains fundamental to your overall well-being. For those looking to simplify healthy eating, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Prioritizing your health with good nutrition and smart choices is key to feeling your best every day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.